Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs. ACMI, formerly the Australian Centre for the Moving Image, is Australia's national museum of screen culture, including film, television, video games, digital culture and art. ACMI was established in 2002 and is based at Federation Square in Melbourne, Victoria. ACMI features a range of curated exhibitions as well as a permanent exhibition, The Story of the Moving Image. It also provides a regular program, film screenings and events, a library and online collection of film and video, and an education program. Located in Melbourne's Fed Square, online and on tour, ACMI, the Australian Centre for the Moving Image, welcomes 1 million visitors each year through a vibrant mix of exhibitions, screenings, commissions, and festivals. Globally recognized hub connecting people, communities, technology, and ideas to shape our futures. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia series. Please do watch our other Federation Square series. As the only museum of its kind in Australia, ACMI is home to galleries, state-of-the-art cinemas, studios, and labs. Programs spotlight both Australian and international voices, supporting the next generation of screen creatives through industry partnerships, education initiatives, and our creative incubator. Building a vibrant, diverse, connected society of screen-literate and technologically skilled watchers and players, and a thriving ecology of creative makers' vision. To build a vibrant, diverse, connected society of screen-literate and technologically skilled watchers and players, and a thriving ecology of creative makers' mission. By 2028, ACMI, your Museum of Screen Culture, will be a globally recognized hub that connects people, communities, technology, and ideas to shape our futures. Values: we place First Nations culture at the center of Australian culture. We continuously champion diversity, inclusivity, and cultural safety. We are approachable, accessible, and reflective of our diverse communities. We embrace innovation and learn from experimentation. Our work is impactful and legible to our stakeholders and communities. We actively collaborate with our industry peers and work together with generosity, integrity, transparency, and respect to achieve collective goals. Have you had the chance to visit Melbourne, Australia? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching.